Good day. Our lesson for today is about triangle congruence. So at the end of this video, you should be able to illustrate triangle congruence. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's have first a review. A triangle is a closed plane figure bounded by the three lines or said to be three-sided polygon. How can we name the triangle? We name the triangle using the vertices of the given figure. So the name of the triangle given is triangle ABC. So we use the symbol for the triangle and the vertices. What are the parts of the triangle? We have three vertices, three sides, and three angles. So let's name all the parts of the given triangle. So the vertices of triangle ABC is point A, point B, and point C. The three sides of triangle ABC is segment AB, segment BC, and segment CA. The angles of the given triangle are angle A, angle B, and angle C. So in a triangle, when the vertices of the two angles are the endpoints of the segment is said to be the included side of the two angles. So let's determine the included side of angle A and angle B. So what will be the vertex of angle A? The vertex of angle A is point A, and the vertex of angle B is point B. So the segment formed by the two vertices is segment AB. So the segment AB is said to be the included side of angle A and angle B. Let's try another. The included side of angle A and angle C is, so let's determine first the vertex of angle A. Again, the vertex of angle A is point A, and the vertex of angle C is point C. So the segment formed by the two vertices of the two angles is segment AC. Therefore, segment AC is said to be the included side of angle A and angle C. Another, in a triangle, when the sides of an angle are the two sides of a triangle, then the angle is said to be the included angle of the two sides. So let's determine the included angle of segment AC and segment BC. So we have segment AC and segment BC. So the angle formed by the two given segment is angle C. Therefore, angle C is said to be the included angle of segment AC and segment BC. As you can see, the common endpoints of the two segments is point C. And the included angle is angle C. Congruence. So congruence is a basic geometric relationship. Congruent figures have the same shape and size. The symbol denotes congruence. How can we determine if battle 1 is congruent to battle 2? It should be same shape and size. So how can we do it? we should overlap the two bottles, and if they coincide or perfectly fit to each other, they are congruent. So bottle 1 and bottle 2, since both bottles perfectly fit to each other, we can say that bottle 1 is congruent, the symbol for congruence, to bottle 2. Again, if they are the same shape and size, they are congruent. How can we do that? We coincide or overlap the two figures, and if they coincide or perfectly fit to each other, they are congruent. A correspondence is a way of matching up the two set of objects. The symbol, arrow or line, this one, denotes correspondence. So suppose bottle 1, the top part of bottle 1 is A, and the bottom part of bottle 1 is B, while the bottom part of bottle 2 is C, and the top part of bottle 2 is D. We can say that A corresponds to D because they are both the top part of the two bottles, as well as B corresponds to C because they are both bottom part of the two bottles. So that is how we use the corresponding or the correspondence by matching up the two set of objects. So let's determine the corresponding parts of two triangles by matching the parts of the triangles that fit exactly. So we can determine the corresponding parts of the two triangles by overlapping the two triangles and check what will be the check if the two triangles perfectly fit to each other. So we have triangle ABC and triangle XYZ. So triangle ABC, we overlap to triangle XYZ. So as you can see, they are perfectly fit to each other. Now we can determine the corresponding parts of the two triangles. So what are the parts of the triangles? We have the vertices, the angles, and the sides. So for triangle ABC, the vertices A, B, and C. So point A corresponds to point X. Point B corresponds to point Y of the triangle XYZ. And point C corresponds to point Z. For the angles, angle A of triangle ABC corresponds to angle X of triangle XYZ, as well as angle B corresponds to angle Y, and angle C corresponds to angle Z. For the sides, if we have segment AB of triangle ABC, that will be corresponds to segment XY. And segment BC corresponds to segment YZ. Segment AC corresponds to segment XC. For the sides, segment AB, we cannot say that this will be corresponds to segment YX. So XY and YX are different from each other. So this is not the proper way. Why? Because point A corresponds to X, therefore, and point B corresponds to Y. So A should be corresponds to x and B corresponds to y. So we cannot say that segment AB corresponds to y because point A should correspond to x, not for y. So two triangles are congruent